Sora 2 is here and it's kind of scary. It can generate insanely realistic videos with just a prompt. And although people say it's an AI slot machine, I do believe that it is a big step towards the future of social media, human interactions, and AI to human interactions. Now, OpenAI just released it through the API, which means you no longer only have to have an access code in order to use it. So today I'll be showing you how to access it without an access code and the capabilities of the Sora 2 model. Now, real quick, let's go over some of the videos that Sora is capable of making. But yeah, as you can see, there's a ton of videos that it can generate. It can generate different styles and more cinematic, more anime-like, more movie-like, Minecraft style, anime like this one, and even super realistic looking videos like this one. Now, as you can see, all these videos have likes and comments. Now, you might be asking, this is a video generator, why do they have likes and comments? So OpenAI is trying to make this more of a fully AI generated social app. So they basically have their videos like this, and on phone, it's just a single video per swipe. Then you can find your friends on the app as well. You can look through your notifications and you can generate videos right here. Now with their cameo feature, you can feature different people within your videos. So you can feature Jake Paul or some of the OpenAI engineers, some influencers that you might be familiar with here. And you can also make videos with yourself. So in order to make videos with yourself, all you have to do is go on the iPhone app and scan your face, and then you can make videos with yourself in it. So if you want access to the actual social app, you do need the access code. So comment the word code down below, and a couple weeks into the video being posted, I'll look at all the comments and choose a bunch of you guys to send codes to. But even if you don't have a code, don't worry, you can still generate videos using Sora. Now, because they just released their API for Sora 2, one of my favorite websites for content creation, which is called Higgsfield AI, added Sora 2 in just the first day of the API being available. So good job to the people at Higgsfield for working super fast and getting it integrated for everybody to use. So if you want to sign up for Higgsfield, use the link below in the description. But yeah, their pricing is super affordable, $9 per month for the basic. The pro is $29 a month, so it's $17 if you buy the yearly. And then their ultimate and creator packs are a little bit overkill, but some people need them. I just stay on the pro. I've had it for probably 3 or 4 months now, and I've been creating a lot of content with Higgsfield. So yeah, I recommend either basic or pro. But as you can see, if we go to the explore page and then click the video models, we can go to the models category right here and then press Sora 2. Now, human faces are not supported because OpenAI is taking the initiative to make sure everyone is protected, and they actually don't allow you to generate with human faces unless that specific human gave a consent with their cameo. But yeah, let's do a quick Sora generation just to show you guys that it works. So I prompted to generate a video South Park style that promotes Hooked AI, my AI thumbnail generator app. So the prompt that we give it is generate a video South Park style that promotes Hooked AI, an AI thumbnail generator, which is my thumbnail generator app using the model Sora 2. And we can choose either 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12 seconds. Let's choose 12 seconds, aspect ratio 16:9 or 9:16. So YouTube style versus phone TikTok style. Let's click generate and see if it actually allows me to do the South Park style. If not, we'll just adjust the prompt and generate a new video. So yeah, it looks like we did not get our South Park video. I'm assuming it's because they removed the ability to make South Park style videos due to some copyright issues, but I just made it have a motion graphic video instead. So let's see what it came up with.
Meet Hooked AI, the thumbnail generator built for creators who want clicks. Just drop in a screenshot or idea, hit generate, and our design intelligence builds a polished thumbnail in seconds. Explore multiple styles, test text and colors, and deliver the look.
Yeah, so you can use Sora 2 through Higgsfield AI, and super easy to sign up. Use the link in the description. Now, I gave it a super simple prompt, so as you can see, it doesn't have my logo or anything or the actual way the app looks, but you can add images right here in order to kind of help guide the video model to create the videos you want. But yeah, it's available on Higgsfield, and you don't need an access code to use Sora. But if you want access to the app, just comment code down below. I'll select a few people over the next next couple weeks. Now, if you are making AI apps, just like Higgsfield integrated the API, it's currently available on OpenAI's developer platform. So if you want to integrate it into your app as well, you can do that very easily. But yeah, if you like the video, little overview of Sora and how to use it, if you don't have an access code, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel because we have a ton of other AI tutorials that go maybe a little bit more in depth than this one. And let me know what else you want to see from me down below in the comments. I will see you in the next one.